some more without it falling. Can you do it? Oh!
Hi, welcome to Khaliqs ToyTube.
Hey, Khaliq, what are we doing today?
Oh, we need time to drink and drink game.
Very cool. Can I see?
Yeah.
This is Tomsy Turvy game. Cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right.
Okay.
Place all the fright piece in a pile where everyone can reach them. Okay. So can you reach this? I can reach this. You're going. Let's just try. Okay.
Orange.
Okay. Orange and the milk can. So one of these, you can pick either one of the milk cans.
I want yellow and purple.
No, only one.
Yellow.
So as I'm spinning, you have to put it in without it falling. Go ahead.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, it's okay. Now put the orange one in there too.
Okay.
Without it falling. Awesome. All right, now it's my turn.
Okay, your turn.
Oh wait, no. Actually, it's still your turn because that didn't fall. So here you go.
Thank you. What is this called?
What is it called? Let me see. Circus.
Second.
This one is here. So you have to pick your color, which is red. Hey! And then you get to get the spool. Alright, so I'm gonna spin it. You have to stack it without letting any of them fall. Woohoo! You're good. Oh my goodness. Okay, you gotta stack this one too.
Okay.
Whoa! The leak is good. Oh, it fell. It did fall. Oh, it fell. Oh, we gotta take them out.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, my turn. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to Knapford Station. Right here. Khaliq had all those turns. Man, you're good. Start over. Okay. Can you spin it for me so I can try to stack? Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Oh. All right. I got it. Yeah. Okay, let me do. Can you spin it so I can stack this one?
Yeah.
I can do it. Oh!
You did it!
Yes, I get to go one more time. The crate. All right. I can do this. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead and spin it so I can stack it. I can do this. I can do it. Oh, it fell.
And I'm gonna do.
Let's see if you can stack all of them, Khaliq. Ha. So I'm gonna spin it so you can stack. Can you do it? Oh! What about some other ones? Can you do it? Can you do it? Oh! You did it! Can you do it? Can you stack some more without it falling? Can you do it? Oh! That was so much fun. Khaliq, did you have fun playing this Thomas game?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, well, we're going to end it out for now.
Okay.
All right.
All right.